Today's video is going to be working on the Volkswagen. The trunk lid has never really stayed open when it sits on this little bit of slope here. I don't know if you can tell how much slope it has, but it's never stayed open, so we're going to change out the strut on it and see if it'll work. Alright, I'll show you what's going on. Pop it open, lift it up, and it falls right back down. Has always done that. Volkswagen said there was nothing wrong with it. The car's a 2012 and it's always done it. I'm going to change out the strut and see if it helps. Pretty simple. You just pop these four retainers out here. That one's out. And let's see if we can get in here. Well, turns out it looks like it's going to be easier to get it from the inside of the car. I can see the end of the strut right there. That's simple. Alright, now we'll get y'all back out here. I'm sweating a little bit. Humidity's terrible out here. But yeah, there's the trunk staying open all by itself. Alright, Volkswagen. There was something wrong with your strut, because new strut doesn't fall. So, alright, well, that's it.